I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start with clean, dry skin and the right clip size. This prevents slipping. Once done, hold the clip by the bridge and place it centered on the top of your nose. Gently lower the wings and press outward toward the cheeks to form a seal. Make sure both nostrils feel equally compressed, not pain. If it pinches sharply, reposition a millimeter or swap to a softer model. This first placement sets how effective and comfortable every subsequent breath will be. Once the clip is on, test the seal by taking a slow inhalation through the nose. You should sense resistance and no airflow around the edges. If you feel leaks, remove and reseat the wings or slightly bend the bridge for even pressure distribution. Make sure you do this gradually. Small changes matter. Practice 5 to 10 calm breaths while watching for discomfort or uneven airflow between nostrils. If breathing feels too restricted, ease the tension until you have it. To finish, use the clip for the planned time and monitor your skin for numbness or red marks. When removing, lift the bridge slightly to release the wings, then take it off to avoid tugging delicate skin. If you plan repeated sessions, rotate pads or clean the clip between uses. If you experience pinching, slipping, or side leaks, switch to a different size or softer pad. This simple swap usually resolves fit issues quickly. Don't force a clip that causes pain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.